Hello student, in last lecture I have told how to calculate mean in individual series. Today I will tell you how to calculate mean in discrete series by using direct method. I tell you formula here, x bar equal sigma fx upon n. Now understood this formula. How to understand? Where, see this, you know already this, x bar arithmetic mean. Next, sigma fx. What is sigma fx? Sum of product of frequencies and variables. Okay, what is frequencies and variables? What is frequency? F. This is frequency and variable, this is x. We multiply it, then we do sum. Okay, n. Now listen carefully. What is n here? In individual series, number of items is called n, but in discrete series and continuous series, n, sum of frequencies. What do we say this? Sum of frequencies. Okay, we say this sigma. We can write also sigma f. We can write here sigma f. We also give the formula here. You say this, or sigma fx upon sigma f, this type, because we take the sum of frequencies at here. Okay, now next procedure is how to calculate mean. Now first what you do first? See this, first multiply each frequency and each variable. ठीक है? Okay, each variable. Next procedure, what you will do? Find sum of product of, this is fx, product of frequencies and variables, sigma fx. Sigma say this is sum. Okay, third procedure, what you do? Sigma fx, sum of product of frequencies and variables, you divided by sum of frequencies, that is n. Then you find x bar. It means mean. Okay, now we take a sum here. By that way you can understand it easily. Question: find mean by given data. X f, x this 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now frequency is given here. What is given? 4, 3, 8, 6, 2, 7. This is given. Now a question is here. You are thinking how recognize this is discrete series. How recognize? Listen. Always remember in discrete series there is given variable and frequencies. There is given variable and frequencies, and data is also given group data. But in individual series there is only ungroup data given. It means variable given, not frequency given. Okay, by that way you understand this is discrete series. First make the question x, f and fx. This time make the table. Write at 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 4, 3, 8, 6, 2, 7. Now add this first. 4, 3, 7, 8, 15, 6, 21 to 23, 7, 30. N equal 30. Multiply f into x. I tell you, you do multiply frequency and variable. F into x. 10 4 ja 40. 2 3 ja 23 ja 60. 38 ja 240. 46 ja 240. 52 ja 100. और 67 ja 420. Sigma fx. Now do the sum. 0. 4 6 10 14 4 18 to 20 to carry here. See this. 2 to 4 to carry 6 1 7 4 11. Sigma fx come here 1100. Okay. Now formula is, you know already, I have told you, x bar equals sigma fx upon n. This type you will do. Now you write here 1100 divided by what value? 30. Okay. 0 0 cancel. Divide this sum. 3 3 ja 9. How much remain here? 2 remain. Next value get down. 3 6 ja 18. How much remain here? 2 remain. Give the point because there is no value and you have to go ahead. 3 6 ja and give the 0 here. 3 6 ja 18. 2 remain again. Give 0. 3 6 ja 18. Again 2 remain. 3 6 ja 18. This is non-terminating decimal. You go 6666. This value is come here 36.666. Now you write this 36.67 approx. This is answer. This way you find mean in discrete series by using direct method. If you understand the lecture, subscribe the channel, like and share. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.